Hi everyone, it's Courtney Hunt, the Art and Design Librarian at Ohio State University. And today I'm going to show you how to find a print book in the catalog. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So here we are at library.osu.edu. In order to find a print book in the catalog, we're actually going to go to our advanced search in the catalog. When you go to library.osu.edu, you first land on what's called our discovery layer. If you do a search in here for what you're looking for, you may find books and you will definitely be linked up to our catalog. But you will also find a lot of other things like multimedia, articles from databases, etc. So if you are looking for a print book that you can come into our library and check out, the easiest and simplest way is just to go to the Books and More tab, which will take you directly to the library's catalog. Under Books and More, you will see a new search bar, and you could do a search right then, but it will bring up ebooks, streaming media, and print books, in addition to other materials that might be available through our library's collection. So what I suggest, if you're specifically looking for print books to check out and take home with you, is to actually click on the More Options link underneath that search bar. It will take you to our catalog's more sort of robust interface. And I'm not even going to stop here, actually. I'm going to go to Use Advanced Search, which is underneath the keyword search bar. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to put words in these search bars in just a moment, but I want to draw your attention to the material type menu here. Because we are looking for print books today, we are actually going to click on book in parentheses. It says print. So I'm highlighting that with my cursor. And I clicked on that. And now I'm going to do a search for art education, which I am putting in quotation marks. And the reason why I'm putting it in quotation marks is because I wanted to search art education as a phrase versus art and education. So I'm going to hit submit. And eventually, here it is. We get 775 results. So as you can see, some of these may be more relevant than others, but for the purposes of this little instructional video, we're just going to go with it. As you scroll down, you will see that the quick records, which are the records that show up in our list of search results, give you some really crucial information in terms of finding the book on the shelf. It tells you the location, the call number, which is the little number that's on the spine of the book, and tells you where to find it within the library, and its status. So this one, for instance, documenting the visual arts, is one that is in transit and wouldn't be available for you to check out quite yet. If we keep scrolling down, here's another book, True to Nature, Open Air Painting, also at the Fine Arts Library. Here is its call number in the ND section, and its status is available. So this might be one that I would want to go take off the shelf and take a look at. If you open it up by clicking on the title, there will be a lot more information for you to take a look at. You can scroll down, it will tell you how long the book is, and generally we'll give you a summary. Not all records have this, but generally there will be a summary of the book, and sometimes it will even list the table of contents. There will also be subject terms identified, as well as any other additional information that might be useful to figuring out if it's a book that you do indeed want to check out. So thanks so much for listening. I hope that was helpful to you. Please check out the rest of the videos that I have put on YouTube to help instruct you on how to use library resources. I will see you next time.